I call you friends, says the Lord, for I have made known to you all that the Father has told me. I will give you thanks among the peoples, O Lord. Blessed day, everyone. We praise and thank you, dear God, for the gift of today. This is my new commandment, says the Lord. This is the gospel according to St. John. Love one another as I have loved you. No one has greater love than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. And so the gospel here is about the love of friendship, yung love na nanggagaling sa kaibuturan para sa ating mga kaibigan. Three things, three words regarding the gospel for today. Una, choose. Next is love. And the third is bear. I cannot help but share this very nice reflection of Father Christodas. First is choose. Tayo ay pinili ng Panginoon. So He chose us. Yun ang una. Napakaganda ng reflection na ito because ito yung sinasabi nila kaya sila nagpapa-abort. Kaya gusto ng abortion ng mga kababaihan. Ganito. This is my body and I choose what I want with my body. Kaya naman, itong bata na to, kung hindi ko siya gusto, I need to let it go. Yon ang unang bagay na gusto nating i-reflect sa gospel na ito. Tayo pinili ng Panginoon upang maging kaibigan niya. At kapag biniyayaan niya tayo ng anak sa ating sinapupunan, biyaya ng Panginoong yun. It's not a choice. It is a blessing. Kaya gusto ko itong i-reflect kasi gusto kong sabihin na yung mga iba nga hindi nabibiyayaan ng anak. Napakapalad mo kung ikaw ay isa sa merong sanggol sa sinapupunan. At wag na wag sanang maisip mo na I do not like this child because I have the power to choose. Because that child is a blessing, just like the blessing that is given to you by God, that baby. Ikalawa, love. Yung love is hindi lang, maraming klaseng love, di ba? Love, intimate love for your boyfriend, for your husband, for your ka-live-in na partner na sana nagpakasal na kayo, ganyan. Yung love mo para sa community, yung love mo sa iyong parents, love mo sa siblings, love mo sa best friend mo, magkakaiba yon. Pero iisang bagay, it came from the love that came from the Father. That love within you na pwede mong ibigay kasi abundant yung love na yan. And saan yan? Sa friendship. Paano maipapakita yung pagmamahal na yan kung wala ka man lang kaibigan, di ba? Kaya nga, the greatest love that one can give is to lay down his life sa kanyang minamahal. At sino nakapagbigay niyan? Si Jesus lamang. At ang ikatlo is bear. If you want to bear fruit that will last, dapat connected ka with the Father. Yung love na binigay sa iyo ng Panginoon, sana yun ang maging puhunan mo para hindi ka ma-disconnect. Napakagandang pagninilay, di ba? We choose, we love, and we bear. God chose us first, and so He gave His love for us so that we can bear fruit that will last. Sana ang panalangin natin sa araw na ito is that we choose God and then we choose the best for ourselves, not eradicating the blessings that God has ever given us, but to flourish, to nurture the blessings, just like the blessing of spreading the word. Paggamit ka sa Panginoong Diyos para ma-spread the word through you. Not only through speaking, but sana makita sa iyo ang power ng Panginoon. To love your neighbor as yourself and to give that love to your friends forever. And thirdly, in order for us to bear fruit, let us stay connected, be connected with God. God bless us all.